Obi Igbo ndị ọma njem Igbo mụrụ nsem ọzọ ekene m n'ụbọchị nke tata. Anyị ka nọkwa na gịnị n'ihe na-agagharị n'efere mbụ gbasara Ebuka Obi and the sticker. If you people can remember, but I believe that majority of you have forgot this sticker Ebuka Obi said that sticker Ebuka Obi that says, "If you monitor me, you shall die." Ya be online. Now, Father Kevin wrote also that now ordinarily no true Christian supposed to carry such sticker and banner with such unchristian message around. It should be something we should all be ashamed of. I will only read this paragraph so that because you're there carry. Not only that now all this particular one, but the one that got my attention, like I said in my previous video, is that now Father Chineke Justin wrote, "Let us temporarily suspend the fact that na Ebuka Obi is teaching his followers this strange part of witchcraft that is wishing death upon anyone who monitors them." I want you to underline this particular word that said Ebuka Obi is teaching his followers this strange part of witchcraft that says. You see that witchcraft, underline it. Teaching and also underline it. Now that is Father Kevin is saying that Father Justin is saying that na Ebuka Obi teach his followers how to practice witchcraft. Then our so-called Reverend Father Kevin will say that na a truly Christian ekweshiki na carry this kind of sticker around. Now I want you to listen what our brother Igbo Channels TV wrote. He said, I will read it out. He said, "Can you guys provide 10 souls you have won for God and his kingdom from January to November? One or planted in the house of God?" I once made a video telling Catholic church committees to checkmate you guys because the level which you people are becoming bold about football related issue online is becoming too much. Hope una no dey play bet low key. Why did he say so? Before I continue, let me just list out Yemeru Ojiwe there, this particular one. Ibia Ghana page Father Kevin and Father Dixon. You feel that's not majority of you on a post begin football. Majority of all his posts Bobasa football. There is nothing like, okay, I went to preach in a so place, I went to do this, go to win soul in a so place, look, and go deliverance in church and all these things. I know Catholic don't do that, but they should also know that now winning souls is part of their job and not doing this thing. If you're going from one club to this thing if you're gonna watch ball to another. Not only that, I came across a post Reverend Father there's one Reverend Father where I made this thing online. With one particular post made online is about his picture. Looking at that picture, behind the picture you will see a lady naked behind the picture. You got one girl na as in the picture, you got one girl making water. That is, he went to beach. Now, man, all these things, why is it happening? Is because now they found out that nobody is actually checkmating them, like Igbo Channel said. When the person making now monitor all these Reverend Fathers, monitoring their social media handle, the kind of life they live. That is why when this girl this Reverend sister actually that time some Reverend Fathers in dinner forcing themselves in the Reverend sisters. No, I did not doubt her for once. I did not doubt her because I know myself, I know that now that kind of thing is existing. That kind of thing is happening. But we have a very good man of God, a very good reverend fathers. But obu maka this generation anyị nọ n'ime ụmụazị agbabasicha na ha na-eme reverend father. Majority of them, when you check well, majority of them don't supposed to be a priest. Ọ bụrụ mgbe ịbụ fada ka bụ ịbụ fada, ịma ihe bụ mmadụ ịgacha akwụkwọ fada pụta wee ewechie ya fada. Do you know what it takes? Go and ask now. Go and ask. Let me say, Jirugodi, let me use Father Mbaka as an example. Mbaka is no more 20 years in priesthood. Neither is, I think Mbaka should be around, was it 25 or something? I'll be more than in priesthood. Go and ask their sets 20 years ago, 30 years ago, 40 years ago, what it takes to be a priest. Go and ask question. I know what I'm saying, but that one, let me just do this thing. Can be the way a Igbo channel room again about or the way again. I'm not against you people supporting your favorite football team, but ranting it above your calling and going through your profile without life transforming and the life-changing issue being put out there for souls to be won and planted in the house of God is one step forward and 10 steps backward for the church. Like I said, this is a very true. Your dekita is true, 100% true. Ball learning cha bubasa football. There is nothing like I went to so obulu mgbe no Catholic Church o we ndị members I like ndị broccoli or ndị anọ anademere like every Saturday I na-agawa house to house depending ọlụ nke kege house to help the poor or maybe people that is old water to fetch water. Even some priests in their side Ghana always some I can remember Chidera. There is one priest named Father Chidera. He used to follow us to those places I na then when can Catholic Church I Ghana all these old men, all these old women umuhani nchapachalapo I mechelu hekberu I shelu I emeriano shelu hani zaumu no make clean up. If it's people that don't have water, I fetch Mirima go from there. We can go to hospital visitation. I remember those days we do that thing when I was still in Catholic Church. That's why I said we have good ones in Catholic Church. Father Chidera always with us. He's always with us, making sure that things are being done. The assignments are being done every week. There is no day we don't go to hospital visitation 3 times in a week. But never had chance, maybe no way bend the priest in or something like that. He will send a message across. That is why I said there are some priests that is good, but you see all these social media priests, I don't even talk much. But let's do what? Let's go ahead and read. Basically, again, does it mean that most of you joining the Catholic priesthood to run away from responsibility and productivity? Does it mean that most of you are juju? But honestly speaking, my brother, it's true. Because Catholic Church have been the one funding their members have been the one funding their feeding, their wardrobe, everything about their expense. They are the one taking care of it. Where they stay on the church, making sure that this house is built for priests. Members bieme ndị nne bịa like ebe ndị nne nọ onweghị na-eme ka ihe ha fee ego ọfụma ebe ahụ. Ndị nne bịa ha atụ ego megin gote foodstuffs, gote fruit, gote everything gabuje na nke Reverend Father ejebuje there. Then end of the week or maybe every 3 times in a week or 2 times in a week, the altar girls or altar boys, they will go to Reverend Father house, do clean up, sali akwa. They don't go to kitchen. I'm telling you because I'm a Catholic. I was once a Catholic. Not only that, I'm a Catholic, I'm also one of the members na house the father a clean house, a clean their house. Clean their house to make sure that things are being put in order. Everything are in order. A clean uno. Then ndana ndi cook. How we cook. Nesile hani. ụmụ nwaanyị, some ụmụ nwaanyị na-esili ha nri, sometimes ọ bụkwa nwoke, depending, na-esili ha nri. So I don't blame them much. Ịghọta? So majority of all these things ị na-afụ online, majority of them ị na-afụ online, they ran away from responsibility. Truly, I'm saying this because Igbo channel is putting it as a question, I mean to say, and I'm answering him now. That's Nagime. Now some of priests that were kita, they are running away from responsibility. Take away the feeding, take away everything, and the priest. If that's na priest, open and 1,000 priests in the month. If that's now get reduced to 200. No, but and a will put 1,000 in a month. If you no get reduced to 150, 200. But because of the advantage and the this thing, positive, this thing had kezafia had benefit from there. That is why all of them. Father. Now, let's continue. Where's it again? Dragging Evangelist Ebuka Obi, or dragging Evangelist Ebuka Obi all the time. Something you cannot do to Dr. Paul Eneche, Bishop Oyedipo, or Daddy G.O. Adebayo. You can't do that, not in this lifetime. I will not really blame you all because Catholic Church pay for most of all your life needs and shelter. But in all of this, who among you can or has successfully built a grown Catholic Church from 300 members to 3,000 members in the last 2 years or 5 years? The bishops of Catholic Church need to tell you all to slow down because you have all divided the church more than you have built it. This is true, 100% true, honestly. Now I'm coming to Evangelist Ebuka Obi, Igbo channel. Let me now answer you. All these reverend fathers, if they did not talk about Ebuka Obi online, hamanwe kezafia, where you make a review. So they need to talk about somebody that need to talk about Ebuka Obi so that they will have you. That is why they are dragging him. So that people will do what? People will come and comment. People will like. People will comment. People will share. People will go. That's yeah, Hannah. Hey, wait here. That is why they are dragging Ebuka Obi online. Because tell me one reason, a sticker will be their problem. And I asked again, my own is a question. Why is Father Ebubedike and Father Kevin with Father Chineke having issue with this sticker Ebuka Obi me, that if you monitor me you will die? Majo, are you people monitoring Ebuka Obi? Why are you people having issue about this particular kezafia, this particular sticker me? Akwakobu na ukwu na ha. Obu na ibu hoye na eli amunsu and ni we have bad intention ebe Ebuka Obi no. Why you na-ewe issue na this sticker? Say that na obu na monitor ya na ega anwụ. Why you na-ewe issue about this sticker? Ajụjụ ka na ajụ. You see these three people that I just mentioned, with the term mentioned, Father Ebubedike, Father Kevin, and Father Chineke. Wabejoy, Father Wabejoy, all go break. At least for months now, I am maybe na mother caution giasha. You see these four people have social media content creator. Ewe. Social media content creator on the Father Ewe. I'm telling you this. If you think I'm lying, go and verify. Away anything named as Zion today. Even the Zion member man, apart from the Gali church that day, he got online as a Zionite. He go ne check eme join before you even know what is happening in Zion. How about the term mention minus Father Wabejoy, because there will you go yikita. How go update what is happening in Zion? I like Zion, I like Ebuka Obi, but how my every movement Ebuka Obi name and every words that only every statement only make in a Zion ground. Why people being pained because of not because of the kind of crowd. Not because of the kind of crowd na gather na Zion gangas, not because na Ebuka Obi is under Catholic Church. We na me and we do that na man follow the rules. That is ke ga ni ntana bata we do that no man na bata na bande Catholic. Why people being Amadim? Can you people just tell me one particular reason unji na drag Ebuka Obi? Because he has never come out one day drag ya Father Kevin or drag Ebubedike or drag Father Chineke. He has never for once put a drag ya these three Reverend Fathers or maybe Father Obejoy. He don't even know you people. Now our sister Lovett aga na one church one organ. Ihe ọ gara ebe ahụ mee best known to her abịa sị that na Ebuka Obi wee gbasara Ebuka Obi gbasara ojije Lovett je na that church abịa drag wakwa Ebuka Obi that na God have exposed him nke ọzọ. You can see what Father Kevin called the oya ano Bedike dere mmadụ ka o dee that na Chineke. You see what he wrote about witchcraft. These are the people mmadụ bịa na comment section bịa na asị ya that na unu edina ndị sister. O wee bịa ozugbo list out the formation of character, the law behind it, the how many years in prison, everything that has to do with the formation of character, and then salt o list hancha out. But you're online dragging Ebuka Obi, deforming Ebuka Obi. Koniche na Ebuka Obi bụ osisi. Ebuka Obi is still human being like you. Kpọọ mmadụ n'ana ọtọ unu ụtọ mana mmadụ kpọọ unu n'ana unu ewewe iwe. Asị na gịnị? Ọkụkọ ntị ike na-eso ozi. Ijiji ntị ike na-eso ozi ana n'iyi. Ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ ka ahafie na drag gị, then mind your business and your lane. Stop dragging another person. Ọ bụ m ka ọ dị m n'ọnụ. So I hope Igbo channel that na I answered your question, all the questions that you just listed out. I hope I answered you correctly. Ya gazielu m Igbo ndị ọma njem ọnụ ka emesịa. Unu echefukwana ekwe comment, share, subscribe, on notification gị ma again. Subscribe very important. Very important. And for Father Kevin, Father Bedike, and Father Chineke, I don't know the meaning of your name, Biko. If you come for me, I would say like very dark man, you'll be a victim. If I come for you, be a victim. So you people should mind your lane and leave Ebuka Obi alone. Ebuka Obi did nothing to you people. Ya gazielu m unu ka emesịa.